Why is the 2030 project provoked such an intense subterranean crisis? The answer lies in the deep-seated fears of accountability, patronage, disruption, and elite survival. Nzarapena mashuko bdanyu kwa pangwa ino idobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Pangwa ino yendrabiranyira chiti. In competitive authoritarian systems, as described by political scientists Lucan Y and Steven Vetsky, the stakes of losing power are existential. Executive office is not just a political mandate, it is the ultimate shield against prosecution, economic ruin, and political erasure. For the incumbent faction, securing the president's until 2030 is viewed as a necessary measure to guarantee long-term security and protect vast patronage networks built over the last decade. A premature transition of power threatens to disrupt these networks, displacing an entire class of bureaucrats, security chiefs, and businessmen who have hitched their fortunes to the current executive. Conversely, for the faction aligned with the military establishment, delaying the agreed upon transition until 2030 threatens to permanently close their window of opportunity, leaving them vulnerable to a complete peg. This internal dynamic confirms Spolek C warning that the absence of institutionalized trust is the fatal flaw of authoritarian governance. When formal constitutional rules are manipulated to serve immediate political interests, the regime loses its ability to manage internal conflict predictably, and the law ceases to be a mechanism for conflict resolution and becomes instead a weapon for factional warfare. Toma developments are good pangwa ine, mema warnings are kupiwa, wakoma na the ruling parties and PF. Ina comment section medu za fungre aim at kulipa msete chitu kwechi. So subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.